Hello everyone and welcome back. I just hooked up my mini chainsaw mill and I'm going to mill some walnut here. I've never done walnut before. It'll be interesting to see what it looks like on the inside. So I'm going to mill this into boards so we can all take a look. How yellow that interior layer of bark is. Look how nice that looks. Now we got so dark and then so light. Well, now that I can see how pretty that walnut is, I have a piece of red oak here that I'm going to do. And the thing is, when you buy oak in the store, it's always clear oak. You can hardly never find any knots or anything in it. Well, this one here has all this stuff sticking out, so it should have some nice grain to it. And I'm going to cut this one and see what's inside. nice to have some oak that has knots in it. Like, look at this one here. You just really can't find that when you're trying to buy it in the store. The oak, it mills easier than the walnut did over here. The walnut, I mean, it's prettier for sure, and it must be a harder wood or something. The chainsaw likes to chatter more than it does with the oak. That cut off slab off the oak, I cut that into firewood, but here on the walnut, I'm going to go ahead and cut this into some thin ones. I mean, I'll get, I don't know, 2 or 3 that are, I don't know, 3 inches wide or whatever, 2.5 inches wide. And if you're doing something like a little face frame, that's all you need. And it, you know, you don't have to burn up a whole big board to do it. You don't get a whole lot of them, but there's been several times when I was doing it with the black cherry where I needed a little tiny piece like that, and I was really glad that I did it. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I think I'm going to hang it up for today for milling the boards. I want to get the log splitter going and start getting some of this firewood split up. Next time we're going to be milling up some of this locust right here. And I'm going to try to do a couple of these. This, what is it called? Norway maple. This stuff isn't very straight, so most of this is just going to get cut up into firewood, but I am interested to see what it would look like if it's milled. So I'll try to pick out a couple of the bigger pieces that are a little bit straight, and we'll mill this up and see what it looks like on the inside also. We'll see you guys on the next video.